friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's make a very tasty sweet on the special occasion of Vinayaka Chathurti, that is Semolina Modak. Modak is one of the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha. So why we have to think something else to make during this festival occasion? All the ingredient list is given in the description box, please check it out. So let's see how to make this delicious sweet. First take a pan and heat some ghee. Add in semolina. Now you have to roast it till you get a beautiful aroma and it slightly changes its color. It will take from 5 to 10 minutes. So you have to continuously mix it or it may get burnt. Now add in boiled milk and mix it and break all the lumps. Now it's the correct time to add saffron, which was soaking in warm milk for a couple of minutes. Now add in granulated sugar and mix it. And when you add sugar into something hot, you can see the mixture becomes liquidy and you have to cook it further till it becomes more thick. Now it absorbed all the sugar and it becomes thick and it started separating from the pan. Now turn off the flame and transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool down. Now into the same pan add some more ghee. Now roast some chopped nuts. I have used almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts. Add some powdered sugar and take some semolina dough which we made earlier and mix it with the nuts for some binding. Now this is our filling for the modak. Now our semolina dough and filling is ready and we also need a modak mold to make this. Now let's start making modaks. Take some semolina dough, flatten it a bit, add some filling in between and cover it. Now if you don't have a mold, you can make this as a laddu and have it. Now since I have a mold, I'm going to use it. So place this dough in between the mold and close it. Now take out the excess from the sides and also from the bottom. And when you open this, you will get this beautiful semolina modak. You can see how soft this is and it tastes really delicious. So let's make all the modaks like this. There are a wide varieties of modak nowadays. And the main traditional modak is the steamed one. But this sweet semolina modak has very few steps to follow and super easy to make. So during this auspicious festival of Vinayaka Chathurthi, you definitely have to try this recipe. GreyPot wishes you and your family a very happy Vinayaka Chathurti. To give this video a big thumbs up and share this recipe with your family and friends. Once you make this Semolina Modak, you definitely have to share your festival pictures with us on our Facebook page. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. You can watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.